So I can't figure it out. Why don't we have more startups out there really solving some of the real estate problems that are out there in the world today? This is Kris Krohn, Limitless Wealth TV, bringing you that answer right now. Dude, talk about ancient technology. Seriously, real estate has been around forever. They're not making any more of it. It creates more millionaires, at least in America, than anything else. And yet, why aren't there any companies and startups out there really innovating in the real estate space? It's kind of wild because it's really ripe for disruption. It's ripe for something new. And you see a couple of things going on here and there, but it's mostly how to do realtor work better or how to list and sell your home better. But the reality is the real money in real estate is when you can buy it undervalued, or you can find the homes that have exceptional cash flow, or you can find a way to manage that whole thing. It's kind of a weird deal, this whole idea that we don't have companies out there really innovating in the real estate space. All they're really doing is they're not disrupting the industry. All they're really doing is taking old things and trying to do them better. But instead of doing things better, I'm talking about how do you actually do it entirely different to make the old system obsolete. Years ago I had this idea because I want to share with you something I did to disrupt the industry and do hundreds of millions of dollars worth of real estate in a way that has never really been done before on the scale that I brought it to the market. And I think this is good for you to be thinking about. So one of the things that's kind of interesting is that when I was in college and I had my telemarketing job, this company was actually selling real estate training. And the thing that was interesting to me about real estate training is that some people would buy this training. It was very expensive, and some would really take advantage of it, and some wouldn't. And I have my courses where I work with people, and I had to really ask myself, who am I going to be in relation to this industry that hasn't had a whole lot of mix-up? I've decided to do things different and break the mold. And one of the things that I did is I said, you know what? If you got a little bit of cash and you really want to crush it in real estate, then why not just have a team of expert investors do it for you, but give you 100% of the ownership? And I put that model together. And I did that almost 10 years ago now. It's done nearly $1 billion worth of real estate. It's been super exciting what we've been able to accomplish there. Because what I'll do is I have investors from all over the world, but mostly in the States. And what they basically say is, dude, I've set some money aside in a 401k, or I've set some money aside in an IRA. And I like real estate investing, but I feel like if I got trained, I might make some boo-boos. I might mess it up. And so instead I said, what if you know that you've got some money, some assets to deal with? What if a team of experts, like my team of 200 experts, just like they do for me, what if they come in and then they actually put the right deals in front of you? What if they do all the fix-up and the work, they rent it out, and you just make all the money? They just make typical realtor fees, right? They're traditional real estate fees. Well, I set that in motion, and you know what? It ended up having broad appeal to thousands of people that we've now been able to help do real estate successfully. Okay, that's disruption like I'm talking about. I just wish that we saw more of it today, because real estate, it's a multi-trillion dollar business industry. Yeah, there's just not a lot of startup companies that are out there playing it. So if you have interest yourself, first of all, I would love for you to comment below in this video and share what are your ideas that you think would totally disrupt the real estate industry? What are your big invention ideas that you think would make real estate way better? Because I'd actually like to comb through them and see if there's an idea that I can pick from one of you to actually invest in and go take a deeper dive in. For everyone else where you're just like, dude, that sounds amazing, I'd love to work with a team of experts and do it for me, check out my website. You'll see some different options and ways that I'll play with you, work with you, get you educated and trained, and then give you the actual properties so that we can make it turnkey and easy for you.